Hi, I'm Jason Gross, an Associate Professor in Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering at West Virginia University. I teach classes in mechatronics, space systems, and satellite navigation. My research program is focused on robotics and unmanned aerial systems. In the Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering Department, we offer undergraduate degrees in both mechanical engineering and aerospace engineering. We also offer a popular dual degree program in which you can get both degrees in 4.5 years. To help you learn more about our program, I've come up with a few highlights. First, a popular aspect of our program is that we place an emphasis on hands-on design projects. Many of these projects allow students to participate as early as their sophomore year and lead to student competitions. Some of these include the AIAA's Design, Build, and Fly competition, where you build an unmanned aerial system, the International Rocketry competition, NASA-sponsored sounding rocket payload designs, the Mars Society's University Rover Challenge, as well as multiple opportunities in automobile design, including the Department of Energy's EcoCar Challenge and the Society of Automotive Engineers Baja and Formula competitions. Many of these hands-on design projects lead up to national and international competitions, in which our students have placed very high or won in recent years. Second, an exciting new feature of our undergraduate curriculum is that you will have an opportunity to specialize by choosing an area of emphasis. For the aerospace engineering degree, the areas of emphasis include aeronautics, astronautics, or unmanned aerial systems. For the mechanical engineering degree program, the areas of emphasis include design and manufacturing, material science and engineering, automatic controls, bioengineering, and energy systems. Third, I want to mention to you that our faculty and graduate students are very active in research in the Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering Department. This often leads for the opportunity for undergraduates to participate as paid undergraduate research assistants, either during the semester or in the summer. Some of our more active areas of research include material science and engineering, energy systems, alternative fuels, engines and emissions, robotics, unmanned aerial systems, and space systems. Finally, I want to mention that many of our graduates get great jobs upon graduation. I myself am a 3-time graduate of our program, and many of my classmates, whenever I was an undergraduate, have gone on to have great jobs in academia, leading industry, and government labs. Although we didn't get a chance to meet today and tour the labs in person, please don't hesitate to find me and contact me. The best way to find more information about our department is to visit mae.statler.wvu.edu, where you can find all of the course curriculum that I've talked about and information about different design competitions. You can also reach out to us through Kate and Ryan in the Outreach Office. Thanks for listening, and thanks for considering Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.